What's up guys? Today's video is on the best TIG torches. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and shorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Number 1. Wellcraft Water-Cooled TIG Torch. With TIG torches that are water-cooled, the bulk and weight could be a problem. The WP20 is favored due to its low weight and slim design, which makes it among the top models in its class. Its 70 degrees angle with the hand and head makes it easy to use. Getting a torch into restricted areas is always difficult, but the slim design of this torch will help reduce these difficulties. Miller Electric has taken over the Weldcraft line. Miller Electric has changed the name of this torch to the W250, but has kept the design unchanged. The number that appears in the model's name represents the current rating that is used for the torch. This means that this torch is rated at 250 amps. It is a water-cooled torch. It is extremely efficient at handling heat, and customers are satisfied with its sturdy construction and cost-effective utilization of consumable components. Number 2. Miller Weldcraft TIG Welding Torch. The A200 was earlier called the WP26 model, and it was renamed the new model name at the time Miller purchased Weldcraft. It is an air-cooled torch with 6 different models as well as a range of accessories that can be modified. The bodies and other components can be interchanged throughout the entire series. There are various neck angles as well as bodies that have separate valves for fine-tuning the flow of gas. Both flex and solid body models are available without or with valves. The A200 has an amp rating of 200. It is constructed with a solid copper alloy that provides excellent cooling capabilities and the capacity to stand up to the rigors of heavy usage. A few users have complained when the flexible part in the structure is bent at different angles. Often it can break internally. Number 3. Parweld WP17 TIG Welding Torch. If you are looking for an inexpensive TIG torch, the Parweld WP17 is impossible to beat. It makes use of standard industrial components that work with Weldcraft WP17 torches. It's certified at 150 amps for AC, as well as 120 amps for DC TIG. It's cooled by air using a hose that measures 13 feet. The body is constructed of copper and has the standard M16 socket, as well as a pin connection. The plug is able to be swapped to a 5-pin connection to work with brands such as Everlast and Eastwood welding equipment. This torch is an immediate replacement for a CK17-25 type torch that is found on a variety of generic and imported welding machines. Some customers are not happy with the cover that is sewn, rather than a zipper cover. However, some expensive TIG torches do not have covers. The cover is quite tough and could withstand a typical store environment. Number 4. CK17-25-RSF FX TIG Torch. CK is among the top manufacturers of TIG torch tools that are used by many professionals who use them for everyday use. The CK17-25-RSF torch utilizes brass heads rather than copper, which helps avoid thread seizing. Brass self-lubricates when pressure is applied, and it returns to the size it was before cooling. CK is well known for its fail-safe fittings that don't require wire ties in order to stay secure. The line of torches featured here has silicone hoses for resistance to high temperatures, as well as longevity and durability. CK is backed by a covered with woven nylon to provide long-lasting hoses. The torch body is encased with silicone in order to prevent the loss of high frequency connected to welders that have no touch arc starting. Number 5. Miller Weldcraft A150 TIG Torch. Miller Electric recently took over Weldcraft. In order to integrate these items into its parts system, Miller changed the name of Weldcraft's TIG torches. A150 is the Miller-based name of WP17, Weldcraft, WP17. According to the Miller part system, it is noted that the A portion of the name indicates that the torch is air-cooled, while 150 indicates air-cooled, 150 indicates the amperage rating. This makes it clear it is a torch with an air cooling system that is rated at 150 amps. This torch is a staple in the market. Because it's air-cooled, it's significantly bigger than a conventional water-cooled torch that has the same power that could make it difficult to weld in tight areas. The Weldcraft A150 features an ergonomically designed handle that is ribbed to ensure that the torch stays cool throughout long welding sessions. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. See you guys later.